Number 17, Harvey Laudag, battle yung rebound. Pick up by number 30, 40. Asus. Muntik-muntik ka na. Ayan, nakuha number 11, pass to number 17, pull up jumper. Luther. Luther ka ng rebound, number 50. Hindi na. Ayan lang si Carlon, number 13. Behind the back, pass number 26, pass it down. It's showtime. 64-34. Ayan na. Number 40. Nag-pintis. Stay up number 17. Wala ka rin. Rebound may number 15. Easy. Ayan na. 1-1. Nasa harapan. Pass number 97. Yes, sir! Ayan po mga kaibigan. 66-37. Miss Loss. Pass number 17. Wala ka rin! Napakamalas naman. Ay, nakapik ko kayo kayo yan. Ayan na. Substitution! Pasok! Ayan na. Ayan na, pumasok na ang the scoring machine number 22 with 20 points. Ayan na. Okay, back to them again. 66-37. 9 minutes and 45. Number 30, Kundes. Pass to number 3 points. Ayan na, 66-40. 26 points. Kunti lang yan. Aha! Binalik. Nakapit kay Guzman. Out of bounds. Okay, 66-40. Lamang po ang number 15. Bakante. Number 15. Ay, pinasa pa talaga. Pinasa pa talaga. Ay, gano'n pala. Okay. Out of bounds. Bola sa dark. 9 minutes. We have 3 minutes gone by in the third quarter. We have 66-40. De Guzman. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to Miss Los. Miss Los tumira. And shoot! Rebound number 55. Lamang po sila mga kaibigan. Na 26 points. Number 55. Ang kuburo ikot. Rebound by Son Luis sa kanya pa rin. Ipinasa. Nasa dito. Wala! Aha! Ay! Out of bounds. Hindi nahawakan ang bola. Chance live Abha with 8 minutes 19 66-40. Okay, back to the game. 8 minutes 19. Official score 66. Alba 40. Jisan. Tatlo. Ang ganda ng pagkaibaon. Nakakuha ng 2 points. Maganda ang pagkatawag ng timeout ni coach. Na-execute ang inbound. 2 points by number 26. 68. A1! Basket behind. Foul winning number 26. First personal foul, number 26. First team foul. 68-42. Wow! Okay. Ayan na. Meslos, 3 points! 40, 46, 68. Ayan na. Oh, wala pang nasa pool. Number 15. 15 on the shot clock. Hello, Caruso. In and out. Sayang. Okay, balik. Rebound. Almost in by number Mr. Sinapas to Meslos. Nagpadalawang isip daw by number 15. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 13. Pinilit. Pipilit siya. Basket na yan. 22 points, Mr. Pabrua. Aha. The pass to number 13, 18, Meslos. In and out. Walang rebound. Pick up by number tulog-tulog, ibang klase. Ibang klase, oh. 24 points. Ayan ang misto ka naman! This time nag-ingles. Rebound by number 26. Ayan na. Wala, number 20. Pass to. Ayan na. Pabrua, number Pabrua. 26 points, mga kaibigan. Lamang na lamang. Ha? Ano daw? Arap! Ayan na! Awa 6 assist, ayan na. 16. Ayan na, 5 on the outside. In and out, rebound by number 15. Pabrua na naman. Pabrua, 28 points! Ayun ko natin. Okay, 28 points. Kandidato na po ito para sa best player. Ayan na, number 17. Pass to number 17. Pay, pass to number 18. Meslos correct 2 points. 50-76 with 5 minutes and 45. Yung pass to Pabrua. Pabrua to Carlo. Easy 2 points. 78. Okay, pa. Substitution. Pasok na pasok. Okay. Number 97, first personal foul. Second team foul. 17. Wala, record. On the record yan, on the record. 17 assist. Okay. Sa kanya lahat yung assist. Ayan na, tumingin! Nag-20 sa numbers 26. Pass to number 18. Number 15 now, is control the ball. Alam nila, lamang po sa kanila. Number 20, ay! At sa kanila rebound. Number 55, pass to number 97. Wala! Puro na lang assist. Kisan with 5 minutes more to play. 5 minutes official score 78-50. 28 points. 5:07. Nasa third quarter po tayo. Coming up next, second game. Third game. Hain and Kasim. We are now. Yung Kasim 17. Okay. Fourteen on the shot clock. Behind the back, nakuha ka Caruso. Yeah! Ayan na po mga kaibigan, 18-30. Ha? Outside, Guzman. Rebound. Ayan na, number 15, nagpamadali. Parang, ay, kaliwe. Ayan na, kaliwe. Bakla. Ayan na po, lulubo na po mga kaibigan, 32 points, 82-50. Mandilag. Ay, Mandilag. Ayan na, wala. Number 90. Number 9. Wala. Rebound. Wala. Sa assist lang yun. Sa assist yun. Walang points. Aha! Iyan na po mga kaibigan. 52-82. 4 minutes. Third game. Hail versus Kasim. Number 55. Ay, wala. Rebound Pagruso. Alam nila, lamang sila. 10 to shoot. Ay! Still by number 17. At, ay! Iba talaga. Okay, 54. Kailangan score. Easy 2 points. Ayan na, 84-54. 3 minutes 20. Oh! Ay, nagkalagan eh. Parang natulog kita eh. Ayan na. Okay, lamang ko mga kaibigan. 3 minutes more play. 84-54. Ayan na. Number 70. 97. Wala. Ayan na. Miss Loss. Ayan na. Number 14. Binalik. Another attempt. Miss Loss. 3 point. 57-84. 2 minutes 40. Pagruan! Nakita niya advantage ang ano ng sintas. Siyempre. Veterana na yan eh. Kaya na. Ay! Miscommunication. Substitution? Ayan na, bumalik naman si Pabrua with 26 points. At 28 points. Steady pa rin yung buhok. 2 minutes. 15 on the shot clock. Pagruso. Pagruso back to number 15. 10 to shoot. Number 27. Wala. Rebound di Guzman. Di Guzman kaso number umabas. Umabas number 17. Kick out to Miss Los. Miss Los South Park to downtown. This has to be rebound by Mindas. Back to Miss Los Amidas. Alwagina wala pa rin. Binalik pa ganyan. Magsawa ka kung nang gusto mo. Ayan na tumira na naman. Oh! Ay wala pa rin. Binalik pa rin. Yan. Ayan na 60-86. 1 minute 15. Lamang pa rin sila ng 26. Kunti lang yan. Ayan na. Number 15. Number 55. Sa ilalim intensity by number 40. Number 40 pass to Umapas. Umapas now. Pass to Miss Los. Miss Los. 90. Yeah, 63-86. 52 seconds more time. On the shot clock. 10 to shoot. Okay. Deserted by the Guzman. 3-in-1. James Coffey. Ay! Ayan na. Didiretso ni Miss Los. He has collected 2 points. 24. Shot clock and team clock. Pabrua. Susaya assist na sana yun. Pagruso na. It is. Rebound. Pinang by number na seat pass to the and shot clock is off. 5. I'll get outside. Hey, basket count. 67-86. Okay, maganda daw, maganda. Okay, 86 against 67. We are now in the 4th quarter. Coming up next, 13, Kasim versus Hail. Tapos na ba? Kaya pala eh. sabi? Miss, oo nga, first year pala yun eh. Ayan. Titingnan ko sa likod. Pumakita eh. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay. White. Ayan. Okay, Tabok versus Yanbo. Correction. Tabok versus Yanbo. Coming up next, third game. Okay, starting up for fourth and final quarter. Okay. Good morning, ma'am. Oh, wala! Rebound number 26. Basket count. 88. Condes. Lamang po sila ng 21. 500,000. Nagidis. Oh. Akala niya may sumigaw. Carlo. Number 30. Pasal! Basket count. 90-67. Depensa. Kasi maraming assist. 17, number 7, 97. 17 assists. Hindi pa nadagdagan. Ayan na. Number 13, Guzman. 15 on the shot clock. Captain by number 17, Guzman. Backing out to Mislos. Mislos on the corner. Rebound by number 26, pass to number 97. Nasa harapan si Guzman. Diretso. Wala pa rin. Naghahalap ng tawag. Mislos. Another 3 point. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 13. Carlo. 3. Apat pa kabigan. Diretso pass to number 55. Wala. Ayan na. Scramble. Ayan ang Mislos. Mislos na nagmamadali. Mislos na ganito. Nakita. Nakapix. Ayan. Di ko saan okay pa? Okay. Okay, inbound. Pass to number 40. Wala. Rebound by number 26. Carlo now still only but tatlo kontra apat. Carlo diretso. Usap. Ayan na. Condes. Tubira. Bakit ka ba hindi? Rebound by number 55. Low pass to number 97. Number 97 now. Number 97. Bound pass to Paprua. Ay, napisis. Ito mahina ang tira nito sa Paprua. Ayan na. Mislos na naman. Mislos sila alin. Wala. Rebound number 55. Ibang klase. 1967. Basket count. 92-67. Umabas, 3 points. Ayan na, 17-92. 22 points lead. We have 9 minutes more to play. We have 3 minutes gone by in the 45th quarter. Abba versus Tisan. Pass to number 55. Pass to number 26. Pull up the ball. Basket down. 94-70. Clap your hands. Ayan na. Number 17. Pick out to number 40. Number 14. A pass in the downtown. And out. Back to pick up number 55. Bound was number 70. Number 97. Bound pass. Assist number 18. Assist number 18. 30 points. Number 22. Kailangan 18 assist yan eh. 30 points na Mr. Pabarua. Ayan na si number 17. 8 minutes more remains up. Okay. Habang na kayo magtama kung wala na kayong hangin. Ayan na, number 55. Pass to Pabrua na naman. Ay, nag-release na Pabrua. Pass to number 17. Umawas. 3 points. Ayan na, 75-96. Down to 21.7 minutes and 55. Oh! Okay, Chris. Wabi. Walang quintang points. Walang quintang. Assist ka lang, assist. Okay. 4 points, 18 assists. Wow! Rebound by number 55. 10 points rebound number 55. Baltas. Ay! Sayang. Nabigyan si Guzman. May tulakan na sa mga rebound by number 55. Ang ganda ng pasa sa kalaban. Ayan na, number 40. 77-98 with 7 minutes and 20. Pabrua with 30 points. Pass to ay, sila pa rin. Assist yan. Assist yan. 100 with 19 assists. Ibang klase. Ayan na, huminto sa 3-point line. Nag-distribute. 13 rebound number. Ay, intercepted by number 40. Number 40 now. 3-point. Wala. Rebound sa ilalim. Wow. Tinaasan. Okay, number 13. Okay, 4 points, 18 assists. Wala. 102. 6 points, 18 assists. Okay, number 17. We have 6 minutes and 30. Wow, saya na. 80. Yeah, 100 to 80. Ayan, Pabrua, tumira sa 3-point line. Hindi siya nag-miss. Ayan na. 6 minutes and 15. Miss loss. Big down Lebron. Okay. Okay, 6 minutes, 49, 6 minutes. Wala! Ryan Guzman, wala. 100-80. Ayan, number 7. Assist by number... Ayan na! Assist 20! 20 assists, 4 points. Ibang pula. Wala. Okay. 5 minutes. Quick foul. Substitution. Tawag lang. Substitution. Coming up next, third game, we have Tabuk versus Yando. We have 5 minutes and 28 remaining time. Fourth and final quarter, 104-80. 24. Ayan na Carlo. 5 on the downtown. Basket na Carlo. 3 points. Ayan na po, lumubo na po. Ayan na si Ninias. Galing siya na gano'n ng Ayan na. Number 30, tumira. Battle for the rebound. Pick up by number 17, humawas, tumira. Basket count, 82-107. Okay. Stretching na po, mga kaibigan. Ang Tabuk versus Yando. Wala. Miss loss. Miss na naman. Ang ganda ng assist. Ayan na. 84. Okay. Chance naman! Abha. Okay po, teams. Time out. Dalawa ang Zistan. Ang Abha. Isa na lang. 4 minutes and 29. Coming up back. Tabuk versus Yando. 20 assists, number 97, 4 points. 6. Time out that. Okay. Verification, 14 points, number 97, and 20 assists, and turnover. Minus turnover. Plus minus turnover. Minus niya. Minus 1. Okay, 16 points for the record. For the record, 16 points. 20 assists. And 20 turnover. Walang rebound. Okay, back to Roy Sanio. Both teams, 1 timeout left. Use your timeout wisely with 4 minutes and 25 remaining time. 107-84. Una pa silang mga Tawag dito. Foul. Ay, Carlo! 3 points. Ibang klase. 4 minutes more to play. Mesnos. Ang daming pala. Wala ang rebound. Yango! Mesnos. Tawag coming up next. Stretching the ball. Record high yung assist niya. 20 assists. On the record. Ayan na. Sa ilalim. Ayan na. Second chance. Basking down. 32 points. Ibang klase. Di Guzman. 2 points. 86-112. 3 minutes 30. Pabrua with 32 points. Ayan ang Pabrua. Pass to number 17. Rebound sa kanya pa rin. Ayan na. 3 minutes. Kala nyo, ang layo nyo nakita nyo. Andun nga rin pinilapit eh. Carlo na naman. Babay pa rebound. Goal pa yan. Hindi tumama. Any part sa goal, hindi tumama. Good yun, goal. Okay. Number 17, 5 from the Dalsan. Wala. Rebound by number 6. Basket count. Nakuha pa ng basket count. Foul number 15. 90-112. A possible 3-point play. Number 17. Ryan De Guzman. Number 97, 0 out of 15 sa 3-point line. Ibang klase. Ito na record yan. Ayan. Ay, Pabrua. Hindi talaga bigyan. Ayan na, 2 minutes and 30. Pass to De Guzman. De Guzman kailangan ng score. De Guzman. Kunin mo yan. Wow! Anticipated. Ayan na. Kuntis. Yes. 92-112. Dalawa na lang ang dulo. 2 minutes more play. We are now approaching the last 2 minutes in the fourth and final quarter. Pagbaruso. 15 minutes shut down. Last 2 minutes. First 2 minutes being brought to you by. Yes, very good. 2 points. Okay. We have a minute and 50. De Guzman. De Guzman. 94-114. 1 minute and 40. Carlo. Bilis! Father! Pass to Father! Time out. Time out? Time out, Dark. Okay, we have a minute and 16.
Kung tayo mag-ano nito?
Hindi na, Pansero, ipapalayo yung luto mo. Higa mo! Hey! Higa mo siya kayo.
Ang uniform. Bigyan mo ng 1 tick. Yes. Okay, bigyan mo ng technical foul, not wearing complete uniform. Sa kabila. Okay. Sino titira? Ha? Wala ebidensya? Yeah. Nakita ni, komisyoner eh. Okay. Technical video, correct. Number 17, wala pa rin. Sa kanila. Ayan na. We have under a minute, 54 seconds for the play. Number 19. Number 9 pass sa ilalim. Assist! Number 34 points. Assist number 97. 21. 99. Basket count 101. 20 seconds. Shot clock is finally off. Basket count 34 points. At 36. 10 seconds. Shot clock is off. It's the end